ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि। Repeat everyone. वाक् प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम् माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मामा ब्रह्म निराकरोत् अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु निराकुर्याम् मामा ब्रह्म निराकरोत् मामा ब्रह्म निराकरोत् अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Okay, so yesterday we entered into Upanishad, saw the introduction, and we have seen the Shanti mantra also. Let all my indriyas, jnanendriyani and karmendriyani grow in strength. This we did not see. In what strength it should go. It should grow. We just told it should grow. How? Not by drinking Complan. Nothing like that. So it should grow in a way the Shastras will prescribe to grow. All Sattvika gunas one should develop. Because Vak has been told, Vak, the power of speech. Talking less, that is how it will grow. When we are asking from the Bhagavan that let all my sense organs, both Jnanendriya and Karmendriya to grow, means we should also put an effort. Vak Shuddhi, how will it happen? By talking less, not by cleaning the mouth. Vak Shuddhi will not happen by cleaning the mouth. Vak Shuddhi will happen by chanting mantras and talking less. One should always chant prayers. That is how Vak Shuddhi will happen. And whatever you talk, you should be truthful without coloring the words. Stating the fact is Vak Shuddhi. So only stating the fact is Vak Shuddhi, means I should contribute to my speech. I should be alert in my speech. Then only the grace will also follow. I keep on asking for Bhagavan, let my speech have a, let me have a purity in speech. But if I don't follow the purity in speech, what is that? Talking less, talking sweet. Talking sweet means what? Not hurting anybody. Remember, which one? Gita, 13th and 16th chapter. Ahimsa, Shankaracharya had told, Vak tapas. If you are eligible to chant Vedic mantras, then you should chant that. That is one way of controlling or purifying the Vak. If you are initiated into any mantras, chant that mentally. That is how you grow in strength. Vak, Prana, regulation of breath. Chakshu. Prana, when I say regulating the breath, the more food you eat, prana won't be in your control. The more hours of sleep you sleep, prana won't be in your control. More activity you do, prana won't be in your control. That is why Krishna has said, Yuktahara viharasya yukta cheshtasya karmasu. You should have moderation in everything. 6 hours sleep, that's all. That is for you, Swamiji. I am also having the same Panchabhutas. Is my Panchabhuta and your Panchabhutas are different, is it? Six hours sleep for a normal human being is fine. Then I should infer that you are all abnormal human beings. 6 hours is what the medical doctors also say. Doctors means medical. I'm just adding. Doctors will also say. They say 6 to 8 hours. Provided if you don't sleep in the afternoon. Because prana won't be in your control. Food, when you are hungry, to satisfy the stomach, yes, we have to eat. But because if it was too delicious, if you eat that, then prana has to take its own time to digest the food. Instead of breathing, prana will take the role of vyana, and it wants to circulate. It will do some other work. So obviously there will be one of the nostrils, there will be a block. Because he is doing some other work through prana. This is how we have to grow in strength. Moderation in everything. Sleeping moderation. Eating moderation. Activity also. Manu Dharma Shastra says, you have to start working when the sun rises. You have to stop working when sun sets. That is why we say, throw the Manu book outside. It is not relevant now. ಬಿಸಾಕಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ. ನಾವೇನೋ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸದಿಂದನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Surya, when sun is setting, slowly we have to stop our work. Because prana works little by little by little when sun is setting. So in fact, giving more trouble to the prana, the breathing system, by doing more work, be it physical or be it sitting on the table and doing office work. Because to think, you need mind and prana. Reduce, stop the work as much as possible. I don't say stop, reduce. 6 to 8 hours is enough. If you are a spiritual person, not more than 6 to 8 hours, you have to work. Then what to do about salary? Right? Leave it to God. Anyway, life is handed now to Bhagavan. Because we thought something at the time of marriage, we thought something will happen. Lot of priorities we had. The way it is going, we know I can't do anything. So hand over. Why our sankalpa is not working? Because we had thought many things in our mind. None of our sankalpas are working. Somehow everything is adjustment. Adjustment with family members, adjustment with colleagues, adjustment even in God also, through sankalpa. God is only doubtful. This person has so much prarabdha. He told me before coming out of the womb that he will fulfill all his prarabdha so that he will not have janma. But after coming out, he is having his own way, his own lifestyle. Whatever he has come out from the womb to fulfill, he is not doing that. ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್? ಯೋಗ, ಜಿಮ್. ಮಂಡೇ ಟು ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಯೋಗ ಜಿಮ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. How are we growing in strength? This is a prayer, I understand. But until and unless we don't contribute to this prayer, God will not help us. So, pranaha. Yesterday I did not tell this. So I am again going back and telling, because ನನಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಇದು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬಂತು. ಪ್ರಾಣಃ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪ್ರಾಣ, ಚಕ್ಷುಷು, ಇಂದ್ರಿಯ, all indriyas, to see what has to be seen. What's the word? What has to be seen? See only which is pleasant to your eyes. The pleasant according to Shastra. Not movies. Movies cannot give you pleasantness. That can agitate you. Movies can create an agitation in you, which will in turn affect your prana. Prana will affect the mind. The only thing what you have to see is nature, Bhagavan, the photos of Bhagavan, the photos of Lord, photos of all Mahatmas. These are the pleasant things. Prakriti. This is how I grow in strength, because whenever I see all this, my mind is calm, prana is calm. Vak prana chakshushotraha. Here only things which has to be heard. Only Vedic mantras you hear. Only satsanga vakyas you hear. That is how indirectly you gain punyam also. What do we hear? Darshan news. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದರ್ಶನ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಇದೆ ಟಿವಿನೇ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಒಬ್ನೇ ನೋಡೋದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ. Something it will come now. See what has to be seen, hear what has to be heard. All related to your sadhana only, so that you can be on the path. Balam indriyani cha sarvani. Entire sense organs, organ of action also should be in line with your thinking pattern. Some seva, some physical seva, or yoga here. In this regard, yoga also you can do. Sometimes spending yoga. This is how a man grows in strength, not through any other ways. And there was one question here after the class. Mama Brahma Nirakarot. I will not negate the Lord because I want God's grace, and let God also negate me. This is almost the same way. So I don't negate the God means I have Shraddha and Bhakti in scriptures, that is Shastra and the Lord. I open up myself to the Bhagavan and Bhagavan's teachings. So when I open up, I get the grace from the Lord. So if I don't open up, there is no grace from the Lord. This is how we have to understand. Yesterday there was one question like here. Why will God stop my growth? My sadhana, or stop my growth? So once I open up, once I expand myself in accepting the Shastra Pramanam, in accepting the validity of knowledge, in accepting the reality of God, I continue to tap the grace of the Bhagavan. Very. And this is what we have seen. These are the things which I forgot yesterday. With this, we will continue. And you can chant all the Upanishad mantras which I have sent. It will be nice. And let us all grow in strength. So, important word is Sarvam Brahma Upanishadam. Where should I see all this? In Upanishads. There is no other Shabda Pramana apart from Upanishads. None of the 5 Pramanas will work. None of the 5 Pramanas will work. Never try to see Brahman as Pratyaksham, not through inference, Upamana, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi, nothing will work. Only through Vicharaha. Here itself, the Upanishad will talk in the 2nd or 3rd mantra how they have got this perennial knowledge which is continuing till date. It is only through Aptavakya. Sarvam Brahmam. I am the Adhishthanam for everything which is happening. I am the substratum. As Shvetashvatara Upanishad says, Mayyeva Sakalam Jatam, Mayi Sarvam Pratishthitam, Mayi Sarvam Layam Yate, Tad Brahmatmyam Asmiham. I am the Adhishthanam for anything which is happening in the world outside. That is why yesterday I told, even with regard to my own horoscope, I allow the planets to enjoy the way it wants. Adhishthanam means what? I am the substratum. Krishna beautifully tells in Gita, 9th chapter, Maya Dhakshena Prakritihi Suyate Sacharacharam Hetuna Anena Kaunteya Jagadviparivartate Maya Dhakshena Prakritihi. Maya Dhakshena means in my presence alone, Suyate Sacharacharam. The Chara and Achara, everything begins to function. Jagadvi Parivartate, the transactional chain, the Parinama, all the changes which is happening because of my own presence. I am aware of all the presence. Shankaracharya writes, Maya Dhakshena, he writes, Maya Sarvatena Drushtimatrena. Remember? Sarvatena Drushtimatrena Sarvam Charam Acharam Prakriti Karyam Karot. Sarvam Brahmopanishadam. With this, we will enter the first mantra of the Upanishad. Because yesterday I have spoken in length. These are the few additional points which I want to tell. Keneshitam patatif preshitam manaha. Kenah pranah pratamah praiti yuktaha. Keneshitam vachamimam vadanti. Chakshushrotram ka udevo yunakti. Anvaya. You want to write down or shall I skip? Okay, everyone, fine. Anvaya. Manaha kena ishitam. Manaha kena ishitam. Preshitam. Cha preshitam cha sanpatati. Sanpatati. Full stop. Manaha kena ishitam preshitam cha sanpatati. Next. Kena yuktaha. Kena yuktaha. Pratamaha प्राणः प्रैति केन युक्तः प्रथमः प्राणः प्रैति नेक्स्ट केन ईशिताम् इमं वाचं वदन्ति केन ईशिताम् इमं वाचं वदन्ति फुल स्टॉप चक्षुः श्रोत्रं कः उ देव युनक्ति कः उ देव युनक्ति very nice nice mantra. What does it say? So here all the Upanishads mostly will be in Guru Shishya asking, means in a dialogue form. Shishya will ask, Guru has to reply. But here a Shishya is a well-informed Shishya, a very well-informed student. He is not asking something very transactional. He is asking something transcendental. From not a transaction question, but a transcendental question, because he is an informed person. He knows there is something in his body which is making the body function, which is making his mind function, intellect function, ego to function. Entire antakarana plus bahya, jnanendriya and karmendriya is able to function because of. So this much he knows. There is something. Do we ever have asked this question to yourself or to any gurus or to me? Maximum of our questions are what? Should I tell? Our questions are, when do I start joining a new company? When will I do a Bhumi Puja for a new house? When will I go to a rented house? When will I get married? Okay. At least from these students we should learn. Which Upanishad students we should learn? If we have to ask questions, means ask something worthwhile. Swamiji, these questions what I'm asking is also worthwhile for my life. If you say, then I don't have any answer. So it is all transactional questions we are asking. Transcendental questions we want, because it's an Upanishadic study. There is something in me, in me, that is in my body, which is making all my body, mind, sense complex work. What is that energy, or what is that power which is pushing me to do work? What is that presence? You know the answer, but still the student is asking. We have to go through that pattern only. Body cannot be sentient because of its own nature, because body is inert, jadam. Similarly, in front of me, there are a lot of objects. Book is there, laptop is there, all objects are there. Plants are there, trees are there. In front of me, Annamalai is also there. Mountain is there. Is Annamalai Chaitanyam or Jadam? You, Annamalai Swami, don't say like that. You're staying in his own place and talking like this. Mahapapam. Is Annamalai Chaitanyam or Jadam? Immediately, you as a Vedantic student, you should not answer me. You should put a counter question. Under what context you are asking whether Annamalai is Chaitanyam or Jadam? Annamalai, if you have to see just a rock or whatever, is Jadam. Absolutely Jadam. But still, that Jadam has some value because there is Satswarupaha there. Annamalai is, isn't it? That easiness is there. But if he has to pulsate, what is the difference between this Shariram per se and the rock in front of me, a holy rock? That rock is also made of Stula Panchamahabhutas. This Shariram is also made of Stula Panchamahabhutas. If I am having some pulse, means there is Sat and Chit Swarupaha also. Annamalai, I cannot accept this when you say rock Sat Swarupa. There is no change. The emotional people will say, yo, I don't want Upanishads. Enough of just doing Shiva Aradhana. Think. So here the student is asking, there is something sentiency in my body which is making all these Jadavastu, Jnanendriyani, Karmendriyani, Sakala Deha, Yella. Something it is pushing. What is that? Kau Deva, see the mantra. Kau Deva Yunakti. What is that Deva? What is that blessed thing which is helping me to do all the transaction? If you just think like this, we are all blessed. Just thinking in these lines, we are blessed. Because already we have changed our thinking pattern from transaction to transcendental. Today, entire class will be only these two, transaction and transcendental. All your dealings in the world, you should only think, is my dealings based on transaction or transcendental? This is how I grow in strength. If all your dealings are only transactional, then Jadavastu, the phalam is also Jadam. Kau Deva Yunakti, what is that which is making me talk, change my hand position? You are able to hear. Manaha Kena Ishitam Preshitam. Ishitam means by which principle or what is that which is compelling me to the mind, which is where my mind is able to think. What is that principle which is commanding the mind to have many thoughts? Kena. Kena means by whom? By whom the mind is able to think. My mind is upset. My mind is happy. If we think in these lines, I'm telling you, going to the source of from where all this Jadavastu gets activated, we will not get angry at all. There will not be any mood fluctuations. We forget this. Manaha Kena Ishitam Preshitam. Patati means not, Patati literally means false. The energy of that sentiency within my body, what is that making it to fall on the organs? Patati here should be false, but not waterfalls. False means which is helping me to fall, means helping that energy to fall on the organs, sense organs. Kena yuktaha pratamah pranah praiti. I am seeing the Anvaya and answering, so you can see the Anvaya if you have written. So easy for me to explain, seeing the Anvaya. How come prana becomes a foremost person because of some force? Kena yuktaha. What makes the prana to come and stand in front of me? Because if there is no life force, we are all dead. But remember, prana also needs something to activate. Prana also needs some sentiency because prana is also part of Panchakosha. Entire Panchakosha, including Anandamaya Kosha, is Jada. Don't forget that. Care of Tatsavoda and Viveka Chudamani. Kena Ishitam Idam Vacham Vadanti. What is that making the speech to talk? Speech to speech. Correct English? Speech to speech to talk. What is that energy or what is that principle which is helping this Jnanendriya, that is Vak, to speak better? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಣೆ ಬರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಚಕ್ಷುಶ್ರೋತ್ರಂ ಕೌ ದೇವ ಯುನಕ್ತಿ. Which is that principle which is helping me to see the eyes, which is helping me to see the forms through this eyes. Eyes cannot just see, na? We all are having eyes. See, most of you are having glasses. I was also having now, so I could aram se say there is no glass, no chashma. When chashma is there, we have to talk so that in line with this is also required. When something is removed, then we should talk in some kind of garvam. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. Because when eyes are there, you need something. This eyes care of Tattvabodha as Golakam. This is just a gross ball. There should be something behind the retina. Behind the retina, a power to see the forms and colors. This is the function of eyes. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಓದಬೇಕು, ಆಪ್ತಮಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. 1 ಮಂತ್ರ ಓವರ್ MBBS. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾ ಕುಮಾರ್? 1 ಮಂತ್ರ, ಸಿ ಹೌ ನೈಸ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು 5 years. So what is that which is helping? Entire Jagat, the Prapancha is Jadam, including this body. So naturally a question might come to us. Let us know the features of the body. If we know the features of the body and the world, which are one and the same, because both of them are made of Pancha Mahabhutas, it is easy for us to identify it as Anatma, as Jadavastu. Without knowing, then we get confused that this body itself as Atma, this Atma itself as Devaha, in regard to the first mantra, Kau Deva Yunakti. Entire Prapanchaha, entire Sharira is Achetana Vastu. Different words I'm using, all are one and the same. Achetanam, Jadam, inert, insentiency. So let us see the 5 features of Achetana Vastu. We have seen 5 principles of consciousness. That is different. Now here, the mantra is talking only of Jadavastu. Now, point number 1. Any object I am able to see. Object is able to come to my vicinity. So in Sanskrit, we call as Drushyatvam. Object of experience. Drushyatvam. Starting from the holy mountain until the pen which I am having in front of me, is everything is an object of perception, object of experience, which is called as Drushyatvam. Second point. This Prapanchaha is made of Bhautikatvam. Bhautika means materials. Bhautikatvam means materials. Pancha Mahabhutas. Akashaha, Vayuhu, Agni, Jala, Prithvi, all are there, starting from the holy mountain until this pen. Third point, this Achetana Prapanchaha is having a quality of Sagunatvam. Sagunatvam. Sagunaha in English means attributes. Attributes. What are the attributes? I am able to see the mountain. I am able to feel the mountain, touch. means all the sense perceptions are there for an object. Shabdha, sparsha, rupa, rasagandha. Shabdha, sparsha, rupa, rasagandha is there. All these are experienceable. Sagunatvam is full of attributes. Savikaratvam. The fourth point is Savikaratvam. Continuously changing. The objects, what all I see, the entire prapancha is changing. Corona came. Corona is likely to go. We don't know when it will go, likely to go. Because anything for us now, if it is there for many years, we only will not give value to it. It should come in a flash, sudden. Everybody should talk about that. If it is persisting since 2 years, then aata hai, chalta hai. It will come and it will go. Corona came, it should go. After maybe third or fourth wave, it will go. Somebody told 9 waves, it will come, it seems. I don't know why they chose 9. Maybe holy number, I think. Until 2024. Let it come. Agate swagatam kuryat gacchanta nivare. Let it come happily, we will accept it. If it has to go, let it go happily. Agate swagatam kuryat. We are not worried about corona. Gacchantana nivare. I can welcome with Purna Kumbham. Because what is there to lose? What is there to lose? If Shariram has to go, Panchabhutas are going. What is there to lose? Any disease cannot affect me, the Chaitanyam. Every disease will affect the Panchabhutas with this Jadam. What is there to lose? And Corona also, mind you, it is what? Drishyatvam. Very nice. Eagle ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ class. Notes ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. Drishyatvam. It is an object of experience. Bhautikatvam. It also has Panchamahabhutas. It also has attributes. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasagandha. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. 6 months bed rest. Savikaratvam, continuously changing. Quarantine period, minimum 14 days. So 14 into number of days. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಸ್ತುವು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಸ್ತುವು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಾಟರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೇಳದೇ ಇಲ್ವೇ? ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಪೂರ್ವಾಶ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರೋದು ಇವಾಗ. Think. The sun is also changing. SON is also changing. SUN is also changing. It will change means what? It has to deteriorate. It has to die. Not now, after a few million years. Which is there, tell me, in the world to depend on the world for the happiness? Biggest star, it has to change, it has to die. Savikaratvam. Last one, Agama Apayinatvam. Agama Apayitvam. Temporary. Na Sato Gita, Na Sato Bhagavad Gita, second chapter. Na Sato Vidyate Bhavaha, Na Bhavo Vidyate Sataha, Ubhayorapi Dushtontah, Parayostattvadarshibhi. Everything is there for certain time. Certain time. Better not to hold on that when it is there for certain time. Use the Viveka and just see it. A disease has come, it has to go because it has an entry point. There is an entry gate. It cannot stay with you for long. It has to go. Until it goes, we have to wait patiently. This viveka, if we have, we don't require any pariharams. It is there, it has to go. We just need a strength to our mind to sustain the pain, sustain the disease. Agama apayitvam. And the entire world, mind you, is temporary. It is available only in waking state. It is available only in waking state. Where is the entire prapancha for you in sleep? If it continues in sleep, will you sleep? Why so much importance then? It is not there in the dream. You have a while dreaming, you have a different prapancha. Dream prapancha you have. While sleeping, no prapancha. Only in waking state. That too for how many hours? Hardly 10 to 12 hours. So much of fuss. So this acheta prapancha has these 5 features. Remember this always. So easy to have a strong detachment towards the world. Drishyatvam, bhautikatvam, sagunatvam, savikaratvam, agamapayitvam. So English heladna, agamapayitvam is called temporary. Savikaratvam means changing. And now we have to, don't be happy. Now we have to apply this to body also, your own body mind. Prapancha say you can apply that to your own body. Body is also an object of experience. I'm able to see my body. Drishyatvam. I can see the changes in my body. Chik magu agiddaga sharira iವಾಗ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತರ ಹೇಗಿದ್ವು ಆತರ ಲಕ್ಷಣವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ ಬಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ತಾನಾಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Let the body be the way it is. If you are a Vedantic student. Object of experience. Every day you have to see your own body and see what changes it is happening. Yesterday there was no gray hair, today it has already come. Yesterday there was no mark, some mark has come. Object of experience. Bhautikatvam. Isn't it made of Panchamahabhutas? Entire Ayurveda depends on this. Vata, Kapha, Pitta. Body is full of water, body is Pitta made, Kapha made. Permutation of all these 3. Because doctors also have to depend on my body, which is Anatma, for their survival. Doctors have to depend on our body, which is Anatma, nothing but Vata, Kapha, Pitta, for their survival. And they are great doctors. How many years of study? 20 years. Where? Outside India. To do what? Anatma study. Whichever pati you take. Homeopathy is nothing but this. Ayurveda is nothing but this. Everything. So much importance. Sagunatvam. Body is of Sagunatvam. It is perceptible to sense organs. I can see the change. Both the nostrils was not working fine. It is working now. Morning when you get up, none of us are, both the nostrils will not work. There should be some block, either Ida or Pingada. Forget about Sushumna, that will never get activated. Because the lifestyle which we are leading, how will Sushumna get activated? Eating outside, doing everything bad, going against Shastra, where will Sushumna get activated? But we have interest in yoga. We have interest in yoga. We want all the yogic sadhanas, but we can't have a disciplined life. How will Sushumna get activated? Basic question. All raga dveshas are there. How will it get activated? But I want to expose myself as a yogi. Sagunatvam, Savikaratvam, change, continuously change. I told, object of experience and change. Something yesterday it was not there, today is there. Apply this to mind also. From the grossest to gross and subtle we are coming. You are able to experience your mind, object of experience. I might not know your mind, but you know your mind, how it is. And everybody knows that my mind is worst, not like you, isn't it? Everybody has this experience. Because the thoughts it generates, which janmas thoughts we have undergone all this kind of thought which comes to me, we don't know. Janmas of vrittis are there in the mind. Sukshma Sharira. Different dreams come to us. Good thoughts come, bad, vulgar, everything will come. If it is more bad and vulgar thoughts are there, to that extent, I have given reality to such experience in my life, not only in this Janma, in previous Janmas. All these questions are from an informed student. What is that which is making all these sense organs work in its different way by one principle? Last one, Agama Vayitvam. Body is also temporary. It is there now only for a 14-day period. It might extend. Now we have to change the Dasha Bhuktis. Parashara had given 120-year Dasha Bhukti. After Corona, after ACBC, we have to make it as 14 days Dasha Bhukti. All the planets should go in 14 days, because after 14 days, we don't know whether the person will stay or not. Quarantine. Dasha Bhukti, Pratyantira, Prana, Sukh, until the last second. Mind is also changing. What is the proof? See, yesterday I did not tell the importance of how to grow the Indriyas in strength. Today, mind thought that I have skipped. May you please tell that in the class. It is changing. Morning, my own thoughts, I am happy. Afternoon, for various situations, it is dull. Evening, angry. Yet I want to be with this mind. Knowing the fact it is changing, it is better to come out of these tendencies what I'm having, so that I cannot hook on to these tendencies. Think. Give time for your own analysis. Do introspection. This is how we have to do. Not 1 day or 2 days. Until the prarabdha ends with this body, introspection has to go on. This is the way to do. Kau deva yunakti. What is that which is making me to think in such and such a way? Asti, jayate, vardhate, viparinimate, apakshiyate, pranashyati. Date of birth is there. Now we know date of death also. Easy. So there is some principle in me which is sentient and conscious enough to make all the sense organs activate. What is the difference between you and a statue? What is the difference between you and a statue? We have seen a lot of statues. Let's take Ambedkar, for example, because that statue only is more all over Indian Constitution. And he's been telling this Constitution, raising his hand since time immemorial. Wherever you go, whichever cross you go. His hand will be there as out. And a crow comes there and sits on the statue. Though he's showing his hand like this, don't come. But still the crow comes. Still the crow comes and sits exactly on the index finger. How he should feel? What is the difference between you and statue? Tell me. But if it comes on you, will you be just like this? No, you will do all sorts of gestures so that it will run away. You say these examples we know. May you please not take such examples. We know, but it is not enough. It is not thought of. Kaudeva Yunakti. What is that spiritual principle which will enliven all these Jnanendriyani, Karmendriyani? That is what it is. Kena Ishitam Preshitam. Ishita means forced. What is that forced thing? Or Preshita means compelled. What is that principle which is forcing or compelling to the mind so that mind is enlivened? Prana is being first, foremost. Devaha means God here. God means not God outside, Saguna or inside. God here means the consciousness principle. God is called here as consciousness principle. What is that principle where my speech is enlivened? My words are enlivened. In fact, hence entire Jnanendriyani. That consciousness in Kathoparishad. Okay, Kathoparishad bed I will. Lalita Sahasranamdale no. What is that consciousness called in Lalita Sahasranam? Because Kathoparishad madilla. That example, if I give you, say, okay. At least if I say Lalita Sahasranam, you can at least know. That consciousness is beyond all these Jada, means beyond all these features of world. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿತ್ಯ ಪಾರಾಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೋತ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವಾಗ
ಚೇತನ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಚೇತನ ಶಕ್ತಿ.
ಚೇತನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದರಿಂದ 183 ವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. ಸುಪ್ತ ಪ್ರಾಜ್ಞಾತ್ಮಿಕ ತುರ್ಯ ಸರ್ವಾವಸ್ಥಾ ವಿವರ್ಜಿತ. ಸರ್ವ ಅವಸ್ಥಾ ವಿವರ್ಜಿತ. ಸರ್ವ ಅವಸ್ಥಾ is equal to ಪಂಚ features of 5 features of world. Sarva avastha. Avastha means change. Sagunatvam, Savikaratvam, Agamapayitvam, etc. etc. Think. Next shloka. Next mantra. Kaudeva Yunakti. So what is that consciousness principle? So that the teacher will answer in the second mantra. Shrotrasya shrotram manaso manoyat vacho havacham sa upranasya pranaha chakshushash chakshuhu atimuchya dhiraha pretyasman lokad amrita bhavanti. I will chant once. Just listen. Shrotrasya shrotram manaso manoyat vacho havacham sa upranasya pranaha chakshushash chakshuhu atimuchya dhiraha pretyasman lokad amrita bhavanti. We will stop here and continue tomorrow. Om Sham Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ।